everybody, it's Connie Stewart with SimplySimpleStamping.com. Thank you guys so much for stopping by for a new Tuesday tip. All right, I gotta be honest, today's Tuesday tip is a little bit different than what I've shared in the past. We're gonna be talking today about paper pumpkin. Now, for many of you, you might be familiar with paper pumpkin. For others, you might be going, what's a paper pumpkin? All right, guys, I really truly mean it when I say this is a hidden gem in our catalog, because if you're new to paper crafting, and even if you're a seasoned crafter, this box contains some really amazing things. Now, one of the reasons I've not really talked much about paper pumpkin is because it's kind of difficult when it comes to video. What I've experienced is I might show this paper pumpkin kit, which I just got in the mail a few days ago, but you can't order it anymore. Well, I had a hard time when people would say, Connie, I want that kit, and where can I buy it? You can't. That one's already come and gone because, like I said, this is a subscription service. This is a kit that you're going to get monthly in the mail, or you can just order 1, 2, 3, whatever you want. But so it is very difficult. So the kit I'm going to show you today, unfortunately, you're not going to be able to order. But this is why I want you to stay tuned. If you order your paper pumpkin kit for March, you have to do that by March 10th. When you do, we're celebrating our 7th birthday. Paper Pumpkin, 7 years we've been offering this subscription. And inside the box this month is a bonus stamp set. So you're going to get 2 stamp sets if you order a kit in March. Now, the one I'm going to share with you today, this is another cool thing about Paper Pumpkin. It's called A Lovely Day, and it matches and goes along with the celebration stamp set, Happy Birthday to You, which you can get for free. Now, you don't have to have this, but isn't it nice to know that if you do have this, it's going to go along beautifully with your kit. This can stand alone, but if you add this one, you've got a really sweet deal. All right, I've yapped long enough. I'm going to go open this box. We're going to talk a little bit about what comes inside. All right, let's go ahead and open up this month's Paper Pumpkin. Let's see what we've got. So you can see they're telling me that we've got some great coordination if we coordinate it with the Happy Birthday to You stamp set. Like I said though, you don't have to have it. Oh my gosh, let's take a look at this stamp set. I'm going to put some white cardstock behind it so that you can see. Look at that great big flower. We've got a birthday cake. Oh, I can see we've got 2 steps so that we can stamp the cake a different color. All right, let's talk about the sentiments. We have a lovely birthday. We have celebrate birthday. You're a great reason to celebrate. We have a congratulations, birthday wishes. So we've got a lot going on there. There's another little bonus floral right there. Guys, that's a lot going on in that paper pumpkin box. We've also got a Stampin' Spot. So this is our little mini ink pad in Rococo Rose. And underneath this gorgeous tissue paper that just happens to match my stamp room are the projects that we have for this month. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Now, let me stop right now and tell you, we're not going to go through how to make the cards and the kit, but I just want you to see how everything you need is going to come inside the kit, even the adhesive. We've got fabulous sequins, a full sheet of Stampin' Dimensionals, all the pieces we need. It looks like we've got 9 cards. Look at that. 3 different cards, envelopes, everything that we need. And hey, of course, complete instructions, because we're not going to make you second guess how to put something together. So there's everything that you need. Hey, look at this. We even have a ruler so that when you're cutting maybe ribbon or something, I mean, they think of everything, right? Hey, I wanted to show you too something I just noticed as I was flipping through all the supplies. Look at this. This is basically their Stampin' Dimensionals. It's thick like Stampin' Dimensionals are. And we have lovely, wishes, and celebrate. I mean, look at that. In fact, I'm just going to pop one of these out so you can see. See, there's all kinds of really cool stuff that come in paper pumpkin kits that you don't get anywhere else. So I just wanted you to kind of get a general idea, everything that you need, except for a pair of scissors. We're going to assume you have a pair of scissors. But look at that, your ink, your adhesive, everything there. And I want to encourage you to go out on Facebook, go out on Google. paper pumpkin alternatives. Guys, there are so many great ideas waiting for you. So you're going to get lots of ideas creating with the stamp sets that come in your paper pumpkin every month. Ready to start your paper pumpkin subscription? Just look down there in the YouTube description and we'll get you fixed up. You can just click the pick. It'll take you right to my online store and you can get signed up as well. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for today's Tuesday tip. Make it a great day. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.